Hi friends, a truly proud 2016 outgoing batch. We had a truly heterogeneous batch, particularly who were excelling both in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. We had true sportsmen who represented the institution and in the department in particular. And we had students who had excelled in different competitions and brought laurels to the institutions and to the department as well. I sincerely request you all to be a good individual, prove yourself and bring laurels to your parents as well as to you.
Hi all, my dear students. Hope you are all keeping good health. Due to this COVID, we are not able to conduct face-to-face farewell. We are very sorry about that. Now you have reached the last mile of this UG program, ECE. You had both sweet and sour memories. I request all of you carry over only sweet memories. Please enhance your skill and become a very responsible citizen after completing degree and give laurels to the RV College of Engineering. Thank you all the best, very bright future to all of you.
I hope you are doing well, safe under this pandemic. And as you know, you are our ambassadors outside and you are the main stakeholders in the education system. And hope you are all doing well in your places. Wish you best of luck in your career.
I had a good time learning here, and I sincerely wish that you all turn out to be very competent engineers going forward in whichever company you work.
Very happy to see virtually on this occasion. I'm very happy to see all grown-up faces. You are going to be the ambassadors of RVCE EC department. So a sincere request to all of you is to uphold the flagship of RVCE. There is a huge responsibility and onus on you to carry forward the legacy carried forward by all your seniors. Now you are going to shoulder the responsibility. I wish you all the best in all your endeavors. God bless you.
Hi, I welcome you all for this farewell. Be kind to others. Always be focused on achieving your goals. Here I like to quote Dr. APJ's words. Mistakes increases your experience. Experience decreases your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, then others will learn from your success. I wish you all the best for your future.
Hello friends, how are you? I think you will be waiting for this event. I wish you all the best. Do well in your career. Achieve whatever you want. So try to be happy. All the best.
Dear students, we wish you all very good success to achieve in your life whatever you do and make the institution proud with your good deeds. All the best for your future. Thank you.
All the best students.
All the wish.
All the best. Stay safe, stay healthy.
All the best to 8th semester students. All the best.
Dear students, wishing you all a very best in your future and happy life. May you all excel in your professional life the way you excelled to become better in your academic life. Grab every opportunity that comes in your way and make your dreams come true. Happy farewell.
Dear students, happy farewell. I know your future will be very bright and look forward to hear about your academic excellence. I'm so happy for you people. I wish you good luck for all the future endeavors.
Dear students, all the best for your future endeavors.
Dear all, wish you all the very best for your bright future. You achieve a success forever. The dedication with which you have pursued your studies in this college in this EC department should also guide you for your further education and career. So we wish you a happy farewell and may God bless you and help you achieve your dreams.
Dear students, all the best for your future endeavors. Hard work is the stepping stone for success, so be a hard worker throughout your life and you will get good success, and your sweet memories will always remain with us forever. So all the best for all the future endeavors.
Hello students, wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Hi everyone, hope all of you are doing well. All the best for your future. Stay safe and stay healthy.
Wishing you all the very best for your future. Dear students, wishing you all the very best and success in your life.
Dear students, all the best for your future.
Best of luck, my dear students.
God bless you with a good health and prosperous life.
Dear students, I wish you success and happiness in your future endeavors. All the best.
This batch is always special to my heart because I have continuously taken 6 semesters for a certain batch of students. I wish you all good luck and be happy always. Do good and be good.
All the students, good luck in your future.
Hi students, hope all are fine and safe. And all the best for your future and whatever you want to do. All the best.
Wish you good luck.
All the best 2016 to 20 batch students and bright future.
All the best and good luck, students.
Students, all the best to your future.
Wish you all the best to all of the students. Good luck in your coming future. Hope you are all safe, stay healthy. All the best.
All the best. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ.
2020 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರಿಗೂ ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ದೇವರು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿ.
All the best. 2020 students, all the best for the future. Thank you.
Hello. Hello all. Am I audible?
Hello. Can you see my screen?
There is lot of noise in the background. Can you please mute yourself?
Who is this? Sanitizer Savita and COVID Avasti? You should keep your username as your original name.
Hello? I think some network issue is there.
ಇದು ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸೋ ಅವತಾರ